In this lecture, we will study the introduction to political parties and its types. Let's start in Introduction to political parties and its types. In our school, there was one student among all the students in our class who was elected as monitor. He was elected by the rest of the students. Some of the students elected him because of friendship. Some supported him for his skill, behavior, etc. This is exactly how the election happens in our nation. The political leaders who stand for a seat is amongst the citizens of the nations or the country. Rest of the people vote for the leader. Some people who have the same view write an organization to stand in election. This organization formed by the group of people is called a political party. Let us understand what are political parties. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest election and hold power in the government. Whichever party has majority of votes win the election. The party that wins an election is called the ruling and governing party because that party will govern the country until the next election. Let us look at the functions of political parties. First, party contest election. In most democracies, elections are fought mainly among the candidates put up by political parties. Parties select their candidates in different ways. In other countries like our India, top party leader choose candidate for contesting election. Parties should put their opinion. Each party has to put forward its own opinion and policy which are different from other parties. Third, role of opposition party. Those parties that lose in election play the role of opposition to the parties in power. Generally, the motive behind this is so that people lose confidence in ruling party and vote for them in the next elections. Let us find out why we need political parties. Political party is the backbone of a democracy. We need political parties because they perform many functions as stated before. Now, let us see types of political parties. First, a single dominant party. The single party system is a political system in which there is only one party in power and other parties are declared illegal. For example, Nazi party used to rule alone in Germany. Second, two-party system. Under a two-party system, one party typically holds a majority in the legislature while the other is minority party. Legislature is a group of people of the country who has the power to make and change the law. The United States is the classic example of a nation with a two-party system. Third, multi-party system. Multi-party systems are systems in which more than two parties are represented and elected to public office. Examples of countries that have multi-party systems are Canada, which has 6 political parties, and Mexico, which has 7 political parties. And there is the end of this lecture. In our next lecture, we will continue the chapter. Till then, watch this video, understand through it, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.